Hi guys, so we have something going on over there. Fireworks are shooting off. Sorry about that, it's really hard to see that. I'm gonna zoom. Oops, sorry. I'll brighten it up back here. I think there was a game going on here. I forgot what it's called. Wasn't that I think it was the football game. That's why I'm taking a video of that. I think they must have started probably since when I got it in my room. Since I did not hear it before, since when I was outside. I know it kind of zooms in, all like that. So, take a guess in the comments. Is it that a football game, which I think that was a high school football, or was it college football? Well, I don't know. Just take a guess in the comments down below that. Sorry about that. It kind of blinds on that one a bit. God, why is it bright? It's blinding on my thing. Sorry, I don't know what is going on here. It's blind, dude. Dude. Oh my gosh. God, why is it blind up? It's blind. What the heck? Dude. My camera was blind. It cannot see anything. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, stupid damn camera. There we go. Sorry guys about that. There we go. Now it looks a lot better. I don't know. What kind of city is that? Was that here in Sioux Falls or... Oh man. I'm trying to think. Was that here in Sioux Falls? Or was it some other else? I don't know. I think I will check. Maybe there was a football game. I'm going to guess that because that's what it is. I'm not sure if it's high school or college. Well, at least you will see more, so... Yeah, I think... Yeah, it's almost reached, so I had to stop this soon. I know it cannot reach anytime soon.